Hello guys, this is me Numan Abbasi from Pardesi Microfilms, and today we have a special guest Danish Khan from Gujranwala, and let's talk to them about the beauty of our village. And Danish bhai, it's a long time we don't have done any work. Where were you busy now?
Numan Abbasi, thanks for introducing me. And as you asked the question that where was I busy, so I was busy in calculating the memories because you know that every time you don't wanna do any work, so sometimes you need a break, and so that's why you will have come with a banger. So that's why I wasn't doing any work, and inshallah this is gonna be epic.
Okay, Danish bhai, and can you tell me how is the weather nowadays in our village? Can you explain about?
Yeah, Numan sir, the weather is very good. I've enjoyed a lot when I came here, but the weather is too much cloudy, and that's why there are multiple marriage functions here. So, so I think the rain will disturb them. But if you are going to enjoy the nature, so that's it's a very great and
Yes, you are
significant
right,
impact.
but I think in these days mostly people likes the cloudy season. Am I
No,
right?
but everyone loves to enjoy this weather. But as you see that there are many engagement or other ceremonies
Yes,
happening
I
there.
think.
So you know that in our village they all do their ceremony in open hall. So that's why it is a bit uncomfortable for them, but the relief for
Yes,
others.
I think you're right. This is a big issue for our in our village for marriage functions and some other places. So, okay, yeah, I'm agree with you.
Okay.
Okay, Danish bhai, and if a new tourist comes in our village and if he watches watching our videos, and what would you suggest? Which places are enjoyable and watchable for her for in this area?
Sir, I cannot tell you the exact one or two or multiple places because this is all natural beauty.
Yes,
You
I
can
know.
see around all the weather and all the trees and greenery and fairy meadows. So basically everything is watchable, and but I there are two or three major places which everyone wants to visit and should visit. The one is Dagri Bangla. The Dagri Bangla, it was established in 1800, almost 120 years ago. From today, it was established by a British officer. So basically, this is the very end. If you go to the
Well, because in nowadays mostly people are going to Dagri
Dagri
Bangla,
Bangla.
and there are too much enjoyable places for other like Dagri Bangla.
Yes, yes. There are many reasons, but if you go too far from Dagri Bangla to the Miranjani track, by
Yes.
following the British track, it is also very enjoyable. It is the 600 meters, the highest peak of Galiar region. So everyone should come and enjoy these things because these are the natural beauty of this village, and every tourist will come, and they should see and appreciate these
Yes,
things.
बिल्कुल. And we also have welcomes the all new tourists and all new tourists in our village. And I have suggest to all the tourists to please come and these and likes and see these places like Dagdi Bangla, Miranjani Track, and some other places. So please come. Okay, Danish, I have one more question that I want to ask you. Can you please tell me the hospitality of the local persons?
Yes, Numan Sahib, it's the land of hospitality and the land of peace. Because every native person is so familiar with you when you go to trekking to Dagri Bangla and the other things. So if you get together to a villager, so he will ask you, have you eaten the food? He will ask you the water, and he will provide you as a necessary things as you want. So basically, I think it's a land of hospitality. People are very familiar with each other, and they respect every tourist and every person who come abroad, and they they feel very pleasure because the tourists explore these things. So I
Yes,
think
yes, Danish.
so I
And
think that's the big thing.
I'm totally agree with you because the peoples of this village are very kind, and he are very familiar with all the tourists and some other persons that they are totally strange from here. So I think you are right. I'm agree with that.
Yes, sir.